This is my awesome beach house that I've just designed. The bird has little fluffy wings that are so cute, like that. Hey guys, today I'm doing a origami video. I think that's how you say it though, I'm not very sure. Let's get into it. You can get all different animals, even a unicorn, which is so cute. I got a tropical bird with a beach house, and I really want a unicorn, so I'm going to try and get a unicorn. So let's get into it with my big brother. He's going to help me. It's just like that little latch, so be careful because there's stickers. This is the tropical bird that comes in my set, and it's how you can move all the way around. Can move all the way around. These are all the little accessories, which we're going to have a closer look right now. These are the little things that you put the accessories on the little beach house and on the little parrot. And then it can go in there and it can look like a cute little birdie house. And this is the curler that can curl if you want to curl it. These are these instructions which my brother is going to read to me. These are the stickers, and they are usable. So if you want to put different ones on, and if you want to put the same ones on, then they're reusable. These just pop out really easy, and they are so cool because they've got so many details, and I really want to put that on the bird. It's a little tree. I'm going to pop out the ones that I want to use, and then we're going to make a cool design. Let's go. So these are the ones that I wanted to use that I've just popped out. You can see. You can pop out these ones if you want to use them, though if you don't want to use these, you can pop out many more. And we're just going to design the house and the parrot. So we'll design them, and then we'll be back to show you the design. So let's get designing. This is my awesome beach house that I've just designed, and if you want to design it more with different things, you can, because you cannot just do this, you can also do different things. The bird has little fluffy wings that are so cute, like that. And it has a little tiara on its head, and it has like this cool little heart pattern on its nose. And then here is the house. The house is more designed than anything. And then there's a little surfboard on the side there, which I stuck on. There's the house, and you can see there's little curly bits that I use right there. It's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do want to get one of these animals, tell me in the comments below what animal you got. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. See you in the next video.